Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 13th and Friday morning. Well, the grain markets are higher to sharply higher again this morning, and weather is the factor that's driving it right now. The weather forecast, the Euro model and the GFS model are conflicting again. One has got more moisture than previously, and the other is taking it out. The Euro is the stronger one, the higher, the most accurate one, I guess you might say, in recent weeks. So, and it has less moisture, and it's no doubt about it. We need rain, and the traders and producers are waiting for to see the rain rather than seeing it in a forecast, because forecast isn't helping the crop at this point in time. We've got crop conditions out on Monday already. Traders are looking for a sizable drop in the good to excellent categories again. So as we go into the weekend, we expect that we will see some more buying, some more strength in the market. It's as the guys around our office asked this morning, said, why would anybody want to sell it going into the weekend? And other than maybe taking some profits, or unless you believe that we were going to get some wide coverage in rain over the weekend. Some of the key chart points, as we talked earlier, Wednesday was a key day with a big outside day down, making new highs and then dropping and taking out the previous day's low. That was a key chart area, and the highs and lows of that day are extremely critical. Soybeans, for instance, November beans 1575 high was made on that day, and December corn at a high of 748. If we would take out the highs on a closing basis here today, that would be certainly very positive and most likely would trigger more stops on the upside. As well as the downside, the lows made that day are going to be critical support right now on the in both corn and soybeans. If for some reason we take out those lows and would close below that level, the chartists are talking that this would give us an indication that a top is in. So those are the things that are being watched very closely. Right now, the strength is certainly coming from weather. The weather market is definitely alive, and the crop deterioration is real. So those are factors that we're going to be playing with here today in the grain markets. In the livestock market, we had cash cattle trade yesterday $2 higher in the $2 lower, in the south. We had $4 to $5 lower in the dress trade in the north. Continued pressure in cutout values. Dressed trade here, we had choice down 178. Select was down 24. So that pressure is continuing to weigh on cash cattle prices, and we're going into that time frame here and time period where we typically do see dressed prices move and move lower, and that's a battle that we've got right now. We've also got cattle coming into feed yards, going to slaughter, that are coming off of these extremely dry pasture conditions throughout the West. So those are things that are weighing on us at the moment, and something that a widespread rain would certainly help attitude as much as anything in the livestock market. Pork under pressure here this morning. Cutout values were slightly lower yesterday. We did get some good numbers out of USDA yesterday. The export sales were good for pork here last month. Poultry demand also increased. So that is certainly helping at a time where we're seeing some heavier supplies of meat hit the market. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. Get signed up for the July 24th Ag Leaders webinar. You can go right to our homepage and sign up for that. And if you've got any questions that you need answered, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.